Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to import your Google Classroom onto your Edpuzzle account. So let us just directly go to our Edpuzzle account. This is my home page. So to link the Edpuzzle account with your Google Classroom, I'll have to click on this hat option on top right. And then here there is this menu option on top left. I'll click on it and it is asking me to add a new class. I can click on it and I can click Google Classroom here to actually import the class. But before doing that, you need to make sure that you have logged in with the same account by which you have also created a Google Classroom. For example, I have logged in with my this teacher class account. So my Google Classroom account should also be linked with the same email address. Only that's when I can link the Google Classroom to Edpuzzle. So now I've already logged into my Google Classroom with the same email ID, and then I'll click add new class and then I'll click on Google Classroom. So now what will happen is it will find the Google Classroom account with the same email address and then it will show me whatever I have already created on Google Classroom. So I already have this class 2 on my Google Classroom. So I will want to import this here. So I'll just click on class 2 and import classes. You can also import multiple classes. That's it. It is done. So all your students details and all the other details which are available on Google Classroom will be shown here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope now you will be easily able to link your Google Classroom with your Edpuzzle. Thank you.